What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $212.29 with a simple copy and paste method. This is worldwide, 100% free to get started with, beginner friendly. What you need to do is stay with me here, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and a lot more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here a super simple copy and paste job that you can get started with as soon as we finish the video here, and you can make actually $212.29 daily or even more actually. What you need to do here is pay attention, watch the whole video, because I'm gonna drop some tips and tricks in the video here, so it is important that you follow along and don't skip on anything, because then it might not work for you. Make sure you also subscribe to my other channel, which is My IM Tips. That is also my site, myimtips.com. I do upload videos there which are related to make money online, internet marketing related tips and much more. So highly recommend you to subscribe to that channel too. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable long-term online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can make $212.29 or even more with a super simple copy and paste method. Let's get started. Alright, so we are going to focus on affiliate marketing here in today's video. Now, affiliate marketing is one of my favorite methods because you more or less actually have to grab a link to promote other people's products. You don't have to create a product, you don't have to deal with shipping, you just grab that link and you have to find a way to promote that product. And that is what we are going to focus on here in today's video. So we're going to Clickbank here today actually. This is one of the largest networks around the globe here. They have thousands of products that you can promote. But the cool thing with Clickbank is that when you have created your account, you don't need to wait to be approved like in Warrior Plus, for example, which is another network. You must be approved from the vendor, but here you can more or less grab the link and get started to promote the offer. So we go to the marketplace here, and what we are going to focus on in today's video is going to be e-business and e-marketing. This is the make money online niche. And you can see here you can sort results by popularity. Gravity is Clickbank's own metrics, and the higher it is, of course, it is a popular product also. But let's stick with the popularity here. And if you have a look at the first offer here, look at some good benefits. The first one is that you can actually make some recurring commissions for life. So it's not only the $212, but you can make even more on a monthly basis. When people start to sign up here, they are going to stick with the university here for a couple of months, which means that you can make commissions on autopilot. So you don't have to do anything at all once they have signed up there. So this is a really super nice offer. Let's have a quick look here at the affiliate page. It's always important to have a look here. I'm not going to play the video, you can have a look at it for yourself later on here. But you can see here the funnels and the commissions. And in a nutshell, Clickbank's University is Clickbank's own high converting offer to help customers find more success with our platform as both an affiliate and as a vendor. So that is really important to keep in mind here, because this is the reason why people should purchase this Clickbank University here. And you can have a look at the details here for yourself, but for now, we are interested in promoting the offer, so we need to grab a link. You can see here that there are some different landing pages. Let's stick with the default and generate a hope link. Now this is a long ugly link here, so I just copy this link and I'm using a link shortener like bit.ly. You don't need to log in here. I'm just going to show you real quick here now. You shorten the link and you get it to look something like this. So let's open up a notepad and save it here for now. Now, basically, let's proceed here. So now what we need to do here is we want, of course, to find people that are interested in this. So who are the people that are interested? Probably beginners who wants to get started with affiliate marketing, right? So let's go to Google here, and you can see I already typed affiliate marketing tips beginners, but if I go back here, let's say that we start to type, affiliate marketing. Now, if I hit the space here, you can see that I'm going to get a lot of tips here, tips for beginners. Find some keywords here actually. So if I just type A, affiliate marketing, Amazon, if I go back here and B, blog, books, and so on there. So let's say that we are interested in tips for beginners. This could be a great idea, okay? So let's copy this. You can see here that here are also some popular keywords. How to succeed in affiliate marketing could be another one. Let's just open this up in a new tab. Now what we need to do here, okay? Pay attention now. So basically we need to find people that asking these questions. There is another option actually, I just came up with it here now, and that is Answer the Public, okay? Answerthepublic.com. You can actually find a lot of cool things here also. So if you just type affiliate marketing, okay, you can get some questions here. So this is a super nice, can help you a lot also. So there you have already two different variations. Look at this, 103 questions. Is affiliate marketing dead? Is affiliate marketing hard? So keep these all, they are super value for you, because you can use this by asking actually. So basically what we are going to do here is we are going to Quora.com. You can see here I have logged in. Now what I like about Quora is that it is a search engine more or less, okay? You can see these questions also in Google, so it will help you long down the road here as well. So let's stick with the affiliate marketing tips for beginners. If I type it in here, look at this, the first one. How can you learn affiliate marketing? What are the 5 basics for an affiliate marketing beginners? What comprehensive step-by-step guide would you recommend for the absolute beginner affiliate marketer? You have so many threads here that you can go in and answer. And basically, let's open up the first one here. Okay, there is a lot of people, of course, who has answered already the question. But what you need to do here is basically you can type the same question in Google. So if I go back here, let's go back here. How can you learn affiliate marketing? You can watch the video, you can see here. Make sure you don't copy and paste exactly as it is, but try to write a little bit with your own words and answer and provide value. Look at this, for example. Here are the basic steps to get started with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche, blah, blah, blah. Produce excellent content, build an audience, and so on there. Rewrite this a little bit and you are ready to go. And what you need to do here is, of course, let's see here, how can you learn affiliate marketing? So what you need to do here is go in and answer here, all right? So I'm just going to assume, let's say that we have rewrote it a little bit here, and you can see here, you just copy and paste. And now I have at the end here, to find out more, check this out, which covers everything about affiliate marketing. I'm going real quick here. And now we are going to grab this link here and hyperlink it, okay? You can see here, you enter the URL and you hit the add, and it's going to be a link there. So there you have pasted your link and you have answered. So every time someone clicks in that, they are a potential buyer of the Clickbank University. So that is more or less how this works. Now, of course, let's go back here, okay? Look at this, how to succeed in affiliate marketing. So let's go inside Quora here again, and let's type this one. You can see that you have so many. Look at this. How can I do affiliate marketing in right way? Can you really make significant money using affiliate marketing? All these questions can be answered, and it's super simple. Use Google, use common sense. This is so easy to do, okay? Use Google, rewrite your answer a little bit, provide value, and of course with your link down below there. So it is super easy. You have to put in, of course, the effort here a little bit to search around, but look at the next one. Let's say that we were to learn affiliate marketing. Okay, let's go in here and Quora again. Let's go back here. Where to learn affiliate marketing. Alright, there, look at this. What is the best course to learn affiliate marketing? You can just go inside here and answer and say, I found it out that I have been looking around and this is really interested, and I found that it is a great offer that you can get started with. It has over 70,000 students already. Click here to check out the details. Boom, and there you go. And they will be redirected to the sales page, and of course let them do the selling there. Okay, you need to pre-sell. Keep that in mind when you do affiliate marketing. You only need to do the pre-selling because they have spent thousands of dollars in copywriting, doing video sales letter that is going to convert. So make sure you get people to go to that link and watch the sales page. That is your main purpose with affiliate marketing also. So there you have the strategy, more or less. You can get started, as I said, right after we finish the video here. Now, if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online with this strategy and much more, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below. So I highly suggest you to have a closer look at it when we finished here. If you got some value in this video, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. Make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. You're going to find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations, as I said earlier. They are both related. Hit that notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation also. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.